What is up? This is your girl Jessica. Welcome back to my channel again. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful look that I created using this beautiful palette from Nikita Dragun. I'm super excited to show you guys. Oh my god, her palette is just so amazing. Look at the colors, especially the neon green. The shimmers are very pigmented, guys. Look at this as well. This one here, it just sinks in. It's just so freaking pretty. All right, I'm gonna show you guys also the mattes. The mattes are very also pigmented, very vibrant. I love it. All right, guys, let's stay tuned and slay this beautiful look. I can't wait to show you guys. Alrighty, guys, so the first shade we're going to be grabbing on this palette, it's going to be the neon green shade called Shigo, and we are just going to be applying that above the crease and just blending that, and that will be our first transitional shade. Okay, guys, so the next shade I'm going to be applying is this baby blue dark shade called Raisin Gang. I'm hoping I'm saying that right, but it's the one next to the neon green. And I'm just applying that right into the outer corner and just blending that and working my way through the crease and just blending that. So I'm going to be cleaning up the edges of the eyeshadow with a clean Morphe brush. Okay, going back to the palette, I'm going to be grabbing this silver shimmer shade called Cyborg. And I'm just applying that right into the lid and just going over, like if I'm going to be cutting the crease, but we're actually just applying the silver shimmer. Okay, going back with the Raisin Gang blue shade that we used, I'm just going to be applying that again right in the outer corner and just blending the silver and the blue together. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying the Peacock dark, like olive green. And I'm going to be applying that right into the outer corner. And we're just going to be smoking that area out. And now we're going back to cleaning up at the edges with a clean brush. Now we're going back to the neon green. I'm just gonna reapply that right on top where we started. So now highlighting our brow bone, I'm going to be using the NYX Shimmer White shade, the one next to the silver. So now we're jumping into our lower lash line, and I'm going to be applying the neon shade and also the baby blue dark shade that we use, and just blending that into our lower lash line. Okay guys, I'm going to finish up my makeup and I'll be right back. The look is done. Of course, I did apply my P. Louise base on my waterline just to give it that pop into the look. Of course, since we are using some greens, I just wanted to oomph that look up. And of course, I also used my NYX Liquid Suede lipsticks, and I could just link those down below if you guys want to check what lip color this is. So my final thoughts on this review for this palette, I gotta say it's a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. Like I said, the shimmers are very creamy, they're very pigmented, you guys saw. And also the mattes are very pigmented, vibrant, and colorful. I just love, love, love this palette, and I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. It's only $30 plus tax, $35 if you go to Ulta. So this concludes my review and tutorial, and if you guys want to see more of my tutorials, reviews, fashion, etc., I do it all. Please subscribe and push that notification just to notify my videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.